is Nick. And here we have an ideal example of a sentence using the present perfect tense. I have eaten pizza. We have our subject, in this case, the pronoun I. Have, the properly conjugated form of the verb to have, functioning as an auxiliary verb. And we have eaten, our past participle from the verb to eat, and pizza, our direct object, or complement. Now, one may wonder, when is the present perfect tense used? What situations call for its use? Well, in general, there are two categories of situations that create the need for the present perfect tense. The first one is when we seek to refer to an action that began in the past and continues to the present. So our example sentence is, I've lived here 5 years. The action began in the past. One started living in this place 5 years ago, yet it still continues to the present. The person is still here 5 years later. The second category or situation that typically warrants the use of the present perfect tense is when we seek to describe a completed action that continues to influence the present. The example would be, I've eaten, therefore I'm not hungry. The action has been completed, I have eaten, yet it continues to exert some degree of influence on the present. Therefore, I'm not hungry. So there you have the two primary situations that typically call for the use of the present perfect. And you have your form.